Fixed App Store country change none option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can fix this problem. This is a step-by-step guide, so you will have no trouble following along. Basically, first things first, you want to head over to your system settings right here. Now once inside, you want to click on your Apple ID or your Apple account. Now from here, you can then go ahead and see a lot of things. And as you can see, in my case, I have my payment and shipping on none. Now in order to change this, you need to be on a region or country that allows this type of procedure or method. So as an example, as of the moment, my account is set on the Philippines, and in the Philippines, choosing none is an option. But for some other country, you cannot go ahead and choose none. Now from here, basically in order to change this, you need to click on media and purchases. From here, you want to click on view account. And once inside, you can then go ahead and see this pop-up menu where you could see the country or region on your account. Basically from here, all you have to do is to click on country or region, and you want to change the region and find which country allows the none option. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.